Hello, it's me, Lasagna, Women's Dolls Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with this month's Tonic craft kit. I am so excited. It came in just a little bubble mailer, and this time they have changed the way it looks. I am so excited. So this time, this is the box. Normally, y'all remember it had that orange on it, you know, symbolic with Tonic. So now it's like it's a gray and white, so giving it some neutral colors. I'm gonna cut the box open and let's see what we got this month. I'm super excited. Oh wow, look on the inside, guys. They got the orange, but it says, "Hello, we hope you enjoy your craft kit." This is neat. All right, so let's get in it. Oh, look what we got this month. It is a pen. Polka dot pen. That's what they call it. I love the sliding action. Too cool. Let's see. Look at this cute pen, guys. Oh, I love it. Let's write something. Let's see. Ooh, it's very smooth. Very smooth. Like it, I love it. Put that back in there. That's a good idea. I will be copying that. Then we got a glitter marker. Yay! And this one is called Press Peony. And look at that beautiful color. Let's open this baby up. I didn't even take the other one out of the other kit that I got. I haven't even used it yet, but look at that beautiful color. Oh, I like it. You can see it right here. Press Peony. Very nice. And it is a smooth flowing glitter marker pen. Oh, so you have to pump it. Get it, prime it. Does it pump it? You gotta prime it. Let's see. See how it's coming out? Yes. Very nice. Ooh, that's pretty. You see that color on there, and it's very glittery. Oh, I might have to pull that other one out now. Oh, it looks like we have. Oh, look what they did this time. I love it. They changed it from the craft to the white. And this is where the dies are in. Oh, we got another binder. Yes, and it's not craft. It is the same color scheme that they're doing, the new updated color scheme. I love it. Yay! I get to put it in there. So now I have 2 of these binders, guys. That's awesome. Remember I said every 3rd kit you get it in a new binder. So let's move the box out of the way. And I love how they are packaging this. Alright, so we know these are the dies. We'll move that to the side. Let's look at the goodies first. I love how they put it in this neutral colored gray bag, which has their information here. Oh, this is nice. I can reuse the bag. Alright, so this month we got a tape runner. It's clear tape. I might try this. I haven't tried it yet, and I think this is the 2nd one I've gotten, so that's cool. I'm going to have to try it. I haven't. So here we go. The great goodies here. Y'all know I love my Nuvo drops. Hope I don't already have this one. It shouldn't be one that we already have. Let's see. This one is a crystal drop, and it is called Navy Blue. I think I do have Navy Blue. I think I bought it on my own. Navy Blue. Very pretty. I'm not going to put anything on the top because I think I already got that one. So that's a duplicate. Then we got another mica mist. I'm going to shake it up so we can see these beautiful colors. And this one is Midnight Horizon. Midnight Horizon. Look at that color. Oh man, that's pretty. That is very pretty. Yes. And then this time we got some, ooh, my color. It's called Spring Rose Sequence. Very, oh, this is a satin finish, and there's multiple sizes in there, guys. This is pretty. I love sequins now, so that's beautiful. And then we got another sampler of glimmer paste. Let me see, is that what I've been getting? No, I've been getting the mousse, right? Embellishment mousse. So this is glimmer paste. I think I have a couple of more of glimmer paste, but this one is, what color is this? Galactic blue. Okay, no, I can't open it. Galactic blue. Look how pretty that is. Wow, I love that. So that's nice. I see we got this little pink with a blue theme going here. So let's look at these beautiful papers. Look at this folder, guys, to keep our oh, it's like a pocket folder. Look at that. Absolutely love it, Tonic. Absolutely love it. It's better than that envelope we've been getting. So cool. All right, so let me open this so I can get the card out. If we have one. Yeah, there it is. All right, and they made it on a smaller thing this time. Cool. All right, so we can get these colors correct. All right, I'm trying to find the right one. Let's see. I'm going to move that one to the side because I'm not for sure. But I know this is classic card, and it's called Aubergine. Aubergine. Aubergine purple, if that's how you spell it and say it. All right, that's classic card. Then we got classic card ballet pink. Y'all know I have this one and I love it. I love that it's textured on one side and smooth on the other. And this one is classic card denim blue. Denim blue. This colorway is very pretty. Okay, so then we have, they gave us some smooth card. This is 300 GSM white smooth card, and this is thicker. I got some of that. I think I got one pack of that. Then we have a mirror card called Purple Rain. This is beautiful. That purple is gorgeous. Then we have a specialty card. I hope this is the right one. This is Ice Gray Glacier. Look at that texture on there, guys. Beautiful. Absolutely love it. Then we have a glitter card, Cobalt Blue. Oh, I love that. That is beautiful. Cobalt Blue. Then we have a foiled craft card, Rose Gold Blossom. And I think I got one of these before, or I got the pack of it. But I remember seeing it. Beautiful. Look at that rose gold on there. Alright, so the last one that I got is a specialty paper here. And it's called Tropical Nights. Look at those circles and how the circles have the stripes in it. Some are solid. No, they're not. They all have stripes. When I was looking at it at an angle, it looked like it was some of them were solid. But I love it. Look at the back. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. See how I had to wait to the last one to get to this one? Because I didn't think this one was called Tropical Nights. I would think something like the blues would be that, but it's the purple. So pretty. This colorway is gorgeous. Alright, so we're going to move these out of the way, put them back in their super cool, handy dandy packet. And they call this the wallet. I think that's what they call that. Now, let's get to these dies and stamps, guys. I am so excited. Let's see. This is the sticker which you get with each one. Serendipitous purse box. Oh, we got a purse box. Wow. Oh, what does that say? Scan me to head straight to the craft room for video tutorials and step-by-step guides. I love that they have that there. Oh, it's the birthday week for Tonic. July 26th to August 1st. 20% off. Look what's coming. I like how they do that. So you can get a heads up on what's coming out. Got some limited edition stencils. Y'all head to Tonics, guys. I know I've got some of y'all into it. Alright, so let's pull these out. I'm loving the new folder. Super cool. Let's put this back in there. I haven't done anything with my stickers yet. Alright, so the stamp set, ooh, very pretty. Says thank you, love, best wishes, lots of love, special day. And then look at these beautiful stamps there that you can put these sentiments around. I love it. It looks like a stained glass effect. And then these look like for tags. There's probably some dies in there that matches that, guys. That is so pretty. I absolutely love that. So here is the purse die. Oh my gosh. I wonder how big it's going to be because this looks tiny. This looks like a tiny, tiny purse. But look how pretty it is. I love this shape. Oh, that is pretty. And then you have two different inlays to use that you can decorate the front and the back. Oh, and I see you can use these stamps in the middle of it. That is so pretty. You can use the stamps or they have the dies. I love that they have these ovals here that you can put in the middle. Oh yeah, that fits perfectly. But then it also has words here. Let's see if we can read it. Probably not. I know this one says thank, best wishes. That one says for you, but I can't read the first part. And I can't read that one either. Well, I can't read it. Let's see. Best wishes. Lots of love. No. Special. Enjoy. I think this one says enjoy yourself. I'm not for sure. We won't know until I cut them out. And then this one says embossing. This looks like a miniature dog tag. That is super cool. With love and for you. I love these little tags. And then it looks like it has the pieces here to go on the sides of the purse to decorate. See, that one goes there. Then you have two here. I like how they gave you two, so you don't have to run it through but once. And then you have, of course, the decorations to go inside each one, as well as the bigger one. So I guess it's whichever one you use that coordinates with the main one, or whatever you want to do is yours, right? But this is so cool that we got a die that's a purse. I love little purses. So y'all stay tuned for when I eventually get to it to play with it. This is so cool. I'm loving this stamp set too. So that is my Tonic subscription kit for this month. I love all the goodies they gave us. And look at this. These colors go great with the papers. Oh, and of course we cannot leave out, we got a new binder. This is so awesome. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.